Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Good. Welcome back. Last week we were studying about a lesson. What was that? Bow. Yes or no? Sounds of different animals we studied last week, right? That was our first lesson. Then second lesson which we studied last week was jungle safari. Trip to the jungle. And when we go over there, we see lot of animals, correct? We see which type of animals? We see deer, elephant, monkeys, bear. Then honeybees are there, butterflies are there, camels, tortoise, snake, peacock. Many animals we can see during the safari of jungle. Okay, and then there were some question answers. I told you to complete that question answers. This question was told to you orally. I had told you to complete in your book, right? I told you to pause my video and then write down the spelling, small letters which we can write from the big letter. Okay. Now today we are going to start is lesson number 3. The name of our lesson is Toto the hen. Toto the hen. What you understand? तुम्हाला काय समजतं Toto the hen? असं ऐकल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय वाटतं? Toto the hen means what? It might be name of any bird. Correct? Hen means what? Hen is a bird. Komdi in Marathi we call it, right? And then it is having some name. What will be its name? Its name is Toto. Correct? And same thing we are going to study in this lesson. There is a Toto, there is a hen named Toto. Name of that hen is what? Name of that hen is Toto. And what that Toto is doing? Toto is helping a child in the family. Okay, they are having pet animals. There is a family, they have lot of pet animals. They have dog, they have cows, buffaloes, goats and hens. And there is one hen which is very much favorite or special of a boy. His name is Rahish. What is his name? His name is Rahish. So here it is told that look, listen and read aloud. I will read aloud. Okay, take out your page number 26, all of you. Please take out your book. Bag madhun book काढायचं आहे. Page number 26 काढायचं आहे. Lesson number 3, unit 2. We are studying unit 2. Okay, unit 2, lesson number 3. It is unit 2. No, sorry, it is unit 3. Unit 3, lesson number 3, okay. I will read lesson for you now. Here it is. Rahish had a pet. She was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was a very smart hen. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cuckoo. Okay. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard the special sound of Toto, cuckoo. Rahish came out from the house. Toto ran to Rahish and picked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. Okay. Oh my God. What he said? Oh my God. The coop is on fire. He shouted. The coop was in a mess. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. Then Rahish bent the picked up Toto. You smart hen, my dear friend. You have saved my farm, said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, cuckoo. Understood? Now there is a boy, his name is Rahish and he is having a special pet. The name of that pet is Toto. What is the name of that pet? The name of that pet is Toto, and that is what? That is a hen. Hen means what? You know, komdi, correct? You have or not hens at your house. Many students will have hens at their house, right? And then here it is told that Rahish had a pet and she was black hen. What was color of that Toto? The color of the Toto was black. Okay. And her name was what? Her name was Toto. In first paragraph it is told that Rahish had a pet. She was a black hen. Her name was Toto, right? Toto lived in a coop. Now small houses which are made for hens, small houses which are made for hens to lay eggs. Correct or not? Some round shape is made, and then what do hens do there? They lay their eggs. Lay means what? Ande dene. Correct? And then the house of hens is called coop. What it is called? COOP, coop. Understood? And what this hen does in the coop? It lays egg and it stays in the coop during night time and during daytime. Understood? Whenever they want to eat food, that time they come out, and then when they don't need to be out, at that time they go and sit in the coop. Understood? And house of the hen is called coop. House of the dog is called kennel. Right? House of the cows is called what? Shed. Understood? More. House of the horse is known as knee. Sound of horse is called knee. Understood? Like that, there are many things we are going to study. House of the horse is called stable. Dog, kennel. Lion, den. Elephant, jungle. Okay, mouse lives in the hole. Duck lives where? It lives on the water. In this way, see, like this it is. In next lesson we are going to see coop. See, like this it is coop. COOP. You can see in fourth lesson it is there. We are going to study. We are going to study houses of animals and their sounds. Which sounds do they remove? Okay. And what their sounds are called. So here it is told Rahish had a pet and she was black in color and her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was very smart hen. She was very smart. She used to help Rahish in any difficulty. Understood? And then whenever Rahish used to go out, at that time he used to give food to her. Now what is food of hens? Most probably we put food grains. दाणे असतात की नाही? Yes or no? गहू, बाजरा, jawar. Those seeds are there, right? You might be having at home sacks of the jawar, bajra, wheat. That is food of hens. Even they eat small insects. When they roam out in the areas or in your house surrounding, that time also what do they eat? They eat small insects, correct or not? Small worms they eat. Then if there is something to eat of grass, then they eat that. Even they need food grains to eat. Understood? So here it is told that Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. He used to play with her. Why? Because he loved his Toto too much. Correct? He loved his Toto too much. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make special sound. Now when Toto used to lay egg, means what? Lay egg means what? When she used to lay egg, she used to make one sound. She used to do cuckoo. Okay? Cuckoo. When she used to do cuckoo, that was something special sound made for Rahish. And then Rahish used to go in the coop and find out. Rahish काय करायचा? त्याच्या कोंबडीचं जे घर असतं, राईट? इन मराठी we say खुरूड, right? And then when it is when Toto used to lay eggs, ज्यावेळेस Toto अंडे द्यायची त्यावेळेस ती काय करायची? एक स्पेशल आवाज काढायची. कोणता स्पेशल आवाज काढायची? कुकू. अँड देन व्हॉट रहीश यूज टू डू? रहीश काय करायचा? रहीश जायचा आणि ते अंडं घेऊन यायचा. अंडरस्टूड? Then one night something happened. Now what happened? Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. When she used to make some special voice, cuckoo, at that time, cuckoo, right? At that time, Rahish used to come out and take the egg, and he used to give food to her. Okay. One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard the special sound of Toto. Cuckoo. Rahish came out from the house. What happened? One night he went to sleep in the bed and he heard something noise. त्याला आवाज आला की बाबा टोटो का ओरडतीये. तो घराच्या बाहेर जाऊन बघतो तो ती खूप ओरडत असती. शी मेकिंग टू मच नॉईज. शी शाउटिंग लाउडली. Why she is shouting loudly? To find out that Rahish went little further to see what has happened. Okay. Toto ran to Rahish and picked his leg. Picked means what? ती काय करायची, टोटो काय करायची, त्याच्या पायावरती चोच मारायची. येस ऑर नो, इट इज हॅव्हिंग ऑर नॉट दिस? कॅन यू सी द माउथ ऑफ द हेन? द माउथ ऑफ द हेन, इट इज हॅव्हिंग अ बिक. बिक मीन्स वॉट? चोच. अँड मग ती चोचीने काय करायची, त्याच्या पायावरती टोचा मारत होती. ओके, शी वॉज पिकिंग हिज लेग. Then he thought that never Toto is doing something like this. Why Toto is doing like this? So Toto ran to Rahish and picked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. त्याला कशाचा तरी वास आला. रहीशला वास आला की काहीतरी जळतंय. Something is burning. He thought that अरे what is wrong? Something is burning. I'm getting smell of burning. Then he went little further to check what has happened. Okay, what happened? Oh my God, the coop is on fire, he shouted. Are you understanding or not what he said? Oh my God. He was surprised or he was shocked to see that the coop was burning. जे घर असतं, जे त्या टोटोचं घर होतं ते काय झालं, ते जळालं. Are you understanding or not? It was burning. It was burning on fire. It was on fire. He shouted, the coop was in the mess. It was everything destroyed, damaged. Mess means what? सगळं खराब झालेलं होतं, सगळं पूर्ण घर जळून गेलेलं होतं टोटोचं. अँड इट वॉज व्हॉट? इट वॉज मेस एव्हरीवेअर. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग? इट वॉज अ मेस एव्हरीवेअर. रहीश रॅन टू द टॅप ऑफ वॉटर अँड टूक द पाईप. ही वेंट near the tap. Near the house only there was a small tap. He went over there and he opened the tap and there was a pipe. With the help of that pipe he tried to what we call he tried to stop burning fire. Okay, it was burning, sir. It was blazing and it was everywhere. What? Near that coop only there was a farm. and then रहीशची शेती होती, त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी लावलेलं होतं, काहीतरी पीक लावलेलं होतं. ओके, सम क्रॉप्स वर ग्रोईंग. and if the coop will burn more, immediately what will happen? Farm will also burn on fire. Understood or not? Then he took a pipe of water and he sprayed that water on the burning fire. He sprayed what? He sprayed the water on burning fire. Then what happened? He showered the water and put out the fire. सगळं जे जळत होतं, राईट, जे आगीने जळत होतं ते सगळं त्यांनी विझून टाकलं. ओके, then what happened? Then Rahish bent and picked. He bent down and picked up the Toto. You smart hen, my dear friend. You have saved my farm, said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, "Cuckoo." Understood? In this way, what happens? When Rahish is spreading water or he showered water on the fire, when fire was not burning, right? Then what happened? Rahish went to the Toto. He bent down and picked up Toto and said, "You are really my best friend. You have saved my farm." तू माझी शेती वाचवली आहेत. Okay, and in this way he says thank you to Toto, and then Toto gives reply how? Cuckoo. Understood? You can say cuckoo. In this way Toto helps Rahish in saving his farm, and Rahish takes help of Toto by giving her food, by taking her care. Understood? In this way we have completed our lesson unit 3, lesson number 3, Toto the hen. Understood? Question answers of this lesson we will complete in tomorrow's period, and we will start with new lesson tomorrow. Okay, you have to do what today? You have to write down all these words in your English notebook. हे काय करायचे, हे जेवढे हार्ड वर्ड्स हे सगळे इंग्लिश नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढायचे. ओके, that is your homework for today. Thank you.